Step 1 and 2, 3 and 4, step 5, down, 6, twist, twist, push. Very nice. Now we're going to try that all together with the music from the top. Get down, from the top. 4 and a 5, 6, 7, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Bounce 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Good. So when you're down, on the 4, twist and 5, it's just a touch, and 6. You want that foot to replace the right foot. Touch, go, and sit into the foot. We're here on the 4 and 5 and open, drop the shoulder, hit. Okay, we're going to take it from the top with music. Remember, just have fun with it, hit everything as hard as you can, and just have a good time.
This is my time. You come destroy me. I'm still standing.
And 5, 6, 7, hit. 3, 4, 6, 8. Hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3,